Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. Do you see it? Do you see it? No, not me. Some call it a dumpster. Some call it a skip, if you're on the other side of the pond. But I saw something over there earlier which I couldn't ignore. So let's see what's still there. Closer. 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 There it is! It's still there. Now, to sneak it back to the apartment complex. Do I really need the mirror post? Yes, but no. I'll put those in here for some other fortunate hoarder. Now this is a Huskey toolbox, which I can always use. So I'm going to stick it back to the apartment. Stick it back down the back alleyway. Make it look like I'm taking it out of my car. So hopefully I can get it there. Yes, I'm trying to beat the street. The street, like an atom bomb. I've got a way to go. I'm actually on the other side of those buildings. But it's worth the chance I'm taking. I didn't want to bring my car over here to pick it up. I didn't want to bring my car over here to pick it up, because I would lose my valuable parking spot, as I had to give it up to a bunch of handicapped people. Handicapped my ass. Lazy? Yes. Handicapped? No, I don't think so. Here we go, with toolbox in tow. I'm actually about a third of the way there already. Don't know if you can hear it. Look at it go! My Huskey toolbox with handy, convenient hoarding trays. Toolbox trays, ball bearings. I don't know. We shall continue. Just walking my toolbox, don't mind me. To the left, to the right. I think to the right. I've got a little hill to climb. If I don't go this way, I'd have to take the other way, which leans to the left, and I'd probably tip over. So I'm dragging the toolbox up the ramp. There's the ramp. And to be honest with you, I could probably order this bracket and that bracket and another drawer. And since this is open, I could change this out. But hey, scrap metal here. It doesn't have turning wheels, so I don't have to worry about it crashing into anything. Yeah, look, maybe I do. It does turn. Look at that. Rolling down the sidewalk at a breakneck pace. Come on. Come on. Keep your doors closed, my friend. Never know what you're going to find. That man understands the value of a good toolbox. Come on, toolbox. We shall wait here for a moment. Traffic to pass. This is better than a shopping cart. Who put the scooter here? Some nerve of these people leaving scooters in the middle of the sidewalk. There we go. I could walk down the street, walk past that building there, down the back way, and bring it back up around the front to make it look like I took it out of my car. But I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to walk right down the side of that front building here and up the ramp. They don't know where I got this from. They don't care. I'm walking my toolbox. Some people walk their dogs. I walk my toolbox. My toolbox needs fresh air once in a while. I think there's a P post around here somewhere. If you don't know what a P post is, well, little sticks they put around. Let me hit this button here.
Wait.
Telling me to wait. My toolbox can't wait. It has to go now. Come on, TV. Toolbox. We made it. We shall go across this way. Alright. I think we're gonna make it. Like I said, this toolbox is about as stealth as an atom bomb. Oh, guardrail. I ended up with something like this, a little bit bigger than my old place. Oh, I'm going downhill now. It seems to have a mind of its own. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Now it wants to go. I want to talk. It wants to go. If I went that way, I would get to the end of that. I don't know if you can see it in between those two buildings. And hang a left. And then come up the back. Then have to go right here. My doors are opening. I have to be walking around with my doors undone. I would like to sometimes. Some of the girls that live here are almost worth walking around with my doors undone. We shall see. This is actually quite a nice piece. I get into the apartment. Speaking of walking around with my drawers undone, look at that. Never mind. I digress. Now we're walking up the ramp. Now it looks like I just am bringing up the ramp because I've unloaded it from my car, from the parking lot. Just don't let go, and it would go rolling into the sunset to that green car over there, which we can't have happen. So, hold on. We're in. Just have to wait for the elevator to take us up to the floor. Look at that. In the sweet elevator. It does seem to have fallen at one point. That's okay. It's a nice Huskey toolbox. Here we go. Down the hallway with my ball bearing wheels. Come on, my child. Walking my toolbox. Walking down the hallway of the apartment complex. And we're here. One momento, por favor. And we're in. Yeah, like that. My first major find. Well, actually, the first one I brought home. The second one I brought home. Well, no, it's the first one I brought home. The first one I brought home is still in the back of the car because it's a bunch of copper pipes. But let's see where we're gonna go with this little baby. As you can see, we are back in the apartment. The apartment of grand findings. So, we're here with my Huskey toolbox. Come on, baby. Up the little hill. Up the ramp. And we'll probably put that somewhere. I don't know where we're going to put that. There's that bar stool. Get running into that bar stool. Everywhere I go, I run into that bar stool. But here we are. If for no other reason, we'll put that there. And we'll turn this side around. And, oh God, there they are again, taunting me. 5 bottles of wine and a partridge in a pear tree. So, it's a nice little toolbox, which will come in handy once I figure it out. Where's the hammer? Just have to knock this over here and that drawer should close. Where's my hammer? Oh, my little red light is blinking, which means I don't have much time left. So I'm going to call this video a day. That's all for now. Keep hoarding. You never know what you might find. Huskey toolboxes line the streets in Kansas City, Missouri. Thanks for watching. Keep hoarding. Bye-bye.